Hello, this is James Burns with Workplace Partners. We're here today to discuss the importance of ergonomics within the workplace environment. In a traditional workplace environment, the keyboard tray is on top of the desk as shown here. This is causing some ergonomic issues because notice my body posture, how I reach out my arms, and notice how my shoulders raise up as shown here. When this is the case, it's the same situation as if I were to put my arms out. For 1 or 2 moments, it is not difficult to do this, but if people are doing this on an hourly basis, it really causes issues because notice how my shoulder is raised and I'm causing tension in my neck area. To be able to solve this issue, there is an excellent solution. The best ergonomic solution for avoiding neck pain would be a keyboard tray. As shown here, the keyboard tray pulls out from underneath the desk. When using a keyboard tray, you want to be able to have the ability to be sitting in a neutral posture. As you can see, the arms are folded out of my way, and you have the ability to bring the keyboard tray over to you and into your lap. This way, I'm sitting in a natural posture as if my arms were sitting within my lap. Benefits to the keyboard tray shown here is that it has the ability to pull up, pull down, and it also has negative tilt. To learn more about our keyboard trays, visit our website at workplace-partner.com or give one of our workplace consultants a call at 970-449-9486.